The least common multiple of 60, 24, and 12 is blank. So in finding the LCM, laging itatry natin yung pinakamaliit na number sa given. So we have 60, 24, and 12. Try lagi natin yung pinakamaliit kung pwede niyang i-divide yung dalawang numbers. Okay? So ang 60 equal siya sa 12 times 5. Okay? So divisible siya by 12. Ang 24 ay equal naman sa 12 times 2. So therefore, ang GCF nila 12. So ang LCM naman nila ay equal sa kung ano yung GCF natin, 12, i-multiply lang natin dun sa mga natirang numbers. So 12 times 5 times 2. And that is equal to 5 times 2, that is equal to 10. So we have 12 times 10 equals 120. So the LCM is letter D, 120. So another technique ay pwede tayong yung continuous division or i-divide lang natin itong 60, 24, and 12. Pag nakuha na agad natin yung GCF niya, ang GCF ay 12. So we have 60 divided by 12 is 5, 24 divided by 12 is 2, 12 divided by 12 is 1. Then i-multiply natin lahat yung mga numbers na to. So same answer, 5 times 2 times 1 is 10 times 12, 120. Follow for more.